Useless woman. Lady of Saga. Sarah. Eruwewu. Your father, your papa, they forbid to become a millionaire. Your father, they forbid to become a millionaire. When they tell your mama where go, key say your mama not choose where, you not carry her go market where. Now you want to give your mama shame on Esther Adokbayi. Esther Adokbayi, shame on you, useless woman, lady of Saga. If those girls are no longer baby, they know what. Anybody will call a baby, you are deceiving yourself. Put it here for granted that they knock. Now that you know, say Sarah not be small picking again. Sarah knock pass, una wait dey 40, 50 years. Now they talk to her be sister. Sarah will class on what? It is taking a lot with you. If Sarah will class on what? Una when they talk say, she's a man or she's a baby. Baby go write this nonsense. They know now. Everywhere will Sarah, do you know your father? Sarah, yes, say you don't know your papa. Wemera. The senior wife will better pass you. It's Stephanie. Only way maso we. I'll sell it. Where is your father? Because here we mother there. You don't know your papa. You know the fear. I said, I'll walk with you. And they ask you, walk with you. You know what? Walk with you. Huh? Why you not use your father to compare? Say your mama not carry a go, you not carry a go market for where papa did. Where did you not direct it? Not be single mother before. Now destiny background, no one for call the form, so now be galadima. How many husbands your mama don't go? Before your mama can't reach destiny background hand. Sarah Coco, I did ask you a question. I know ta no good bijoué. Sarah Coco, now what bijoué? Because my destiny gave me a problem. I don't let it and say, may I stand not return the cost again because the cost when the cost now you ask for the work. That's why the senior one they look for mouth, they go for TikTok. So I am neighbor, if you like you return, if you like you not return. Destiny was your Coco, not be you I come for. But I could work stay clear. I am aware now. My way you may shoe. It's okay. Sarah, now what be you ever going to do better? Cause you get destiny or destiny back bio. How many husbands your mama got go? How many? 4 or 3. This nonsense when you like so. Why you not let her follow the first, the second, and the third one? You go boss past your mama. Esther, wabijua. Esther, ogbon ya bijoué, va bo la joué gbe. Ou ya suhungu. E music na, where ye? Ero awa talo wataleme. Ou be have egu. Bet, what kind of sea finish is this? You say your mama not carry a go market. They allow your mother to go. After all, not be the first husband. There's the bagua is not the first husband. It is the bagua beware. Your mama go first husband as before. May still go the fifth one. I will not wear any woman here, where go first husband as enough favor her. Second husband as enough favor you. Third husband, now you be the problem. It is not, it called the review to me now say, now Esther Adokbayi be the problem of the husband as well don't go. What do you expect? I beg you. You see why you not good mean one person the trip to get daughter like that. Oh yeah, Gualo. Or do TikTok. Or when I feel you bomb so, I'm big move your hand. We know ya Guali there. No Guali there. Because I very jealous of one young lady. Esther. Not they would waste your time, go to swear juju again for people. Use that time to take care of your own children. If we were keke.